I have no words. Like,
Conado. Sheesh.
To go appeal, my relationship ended. And I wondered why.
Good Lord. No way.
so I just got to the house. Please do not mind my failed Bantu knots. I still haven't taken them out. I'll take them out tomorrow. Anyway, the house is a bit of a mess, so I'm thinking we clean together. So yeah, that is what we are doing today. If you have never seen this face before, if you're new to this channel, please feel free to click the subscribe button below and join the family. Let's get into it.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Look at my pan, you guys. Like, what the, like, I have no words. Like, what happened? What happened? How do you explain this?
Thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station, son.
So I'm just gonna put this on the stove ipate moto ili hizi vitu zitoke, and then I'm gonna wash it later. This is the dish soap that I was using. Oh, also I got this dish rack from Jumia for like less than 1,000 bob. Neat. Guys, I want to show you how I wash in the solutions that I use Downy. This one, the luxury perfume vanilla and cashmere mask. I love it. And then I use dish soap. Let me show you. What is it? I use this dish soap because this is the one that I have right now. I prefer the antiseptic one, but I didn't get the antiseptic one anyway. So
no destination, yeah. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, baby. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night.
There are some things that I got that I'd love to show you guys. So this package is from Beauty Click, and they now have, this package is from Beauty Click, and I'm so glad because they now have accessories, and this is a ring. I love it. It looks so authentic. It looks so, so original. So, this is unapatanga hapo nje za 50 bob. Like, this is real chuma, love it. Some lipsticks, Nuoba 66. This is a red lippy. Let me show you guys. I know Nuoba 66 is a red lippy. Yeah, and I was right, a red lippy. I love Nuoba, or is it Nuba, vile utasikia kuita. And then this is Nuba, so focusing, Nuba Milabashi 45. I'm so sure it's like a purple. Yes, I do my homework, you guys. So yeah, and then this is reflector. I've been wanting this lip gloss for so long, the reflector one. Yeah, yo, look at that, just look at that. Oh my gosh, I am such a lip gloss girl. I am so happy, so happy. Look at that. It's a treatment lip gloss, and we're gonna try this I guess tomorrow. yeah, I'll tell you guys how that goes. Yeah, I think this is it for today. I'm so tired. I don't want to do anything else. I'm just gonna relax. So as I was saying, yeah, I'm not gonna do anything else today. Not today, right now. I'm not gonna do anything else for the vlog. I'm just gonna like have something light to eat. I'm gonna watch something, probably spend like 2 hours just like relaxing, getting my content creation planned, yeah, and then go back home because I have some things to figure out there too. And then tomorrow we're going back to school. It's the official opening date for Kenyatta Uni. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there, do some content creation there because I want like a change of scene in the next reel that I want to do, which is gonna be in collaboration with Beauty Click also, so watch out for that. If you do not follow me on IG, I'm gonna leave it down here. You can follow me. Yeah. Let me get to it. Yeah, so tuonane kesho.
Prada Bay, run away, don't go. I'm in hell, might as well just go. Losing track, don't take my soul. I'm in first, you too late, you slow. Yeah, hop outside the whip and then your skin gon' freeze. Yeah, all the other guys ain't really built like me. They got janky motives, don't know what they want. They keep blowing smoke, but I keep it blowing. Got these blue faces on my plate, I can't get on, yeah. Brand new sweater going with the ones, don't lace them on, yeah. Had to hit her all like, what you doing with that dog, yeah. You know that I do you reckon.
My relationship ended. And I wondered why.
Good Lord. Uko huko. Ya kufanya? Sababu mingi za kupeana. Unaimagine if 1,000 people signed up. What?
That's 50k.
That's a lot of money. Mko na pesa KU. Mko na dough. Sheesh.
I've been losing sleep over dumb shit. Better at the function, but I couldn't go function. I've been with my bros, had to get up on some grown shit. You ain't bought your paper, then don't call up on my phone, bitch.
Retake.
Nile kanana.
I think ni kama wakora.
Si ndio, ni kama pesa ya wizi.
Nasema deep
Never comes.
Got me some cake, some yogurt. This is bio yogurt. I actually haven't tried this French vanilla one. It has what? Real fruits. Okay. And please do not mind my stretch marks, you guys. And some cake. This is red velvet, I think. I think. Okay, I'm so tired of this nikinunua. But yeah, it's red velvet. Look at that. I can't wait to dig in. Hey guys, so I am from school. KU is a whole day event. Like honestly, it's a whole day event. I'm tired. I just want to eat my yogurt and eat my cake and be done. Okay. I hope you like these vlogs. I'm gonna do more of them because I really like doing a recollection of my days, my day-to-day life. It might not be as glamorous or as luxurious, but this is, you know, they are content creators, they always hype after hype. So I hope you like these videos. I'm gonna do more of them. Yeah, give this a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to see more. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Bye guys.